I'm Shelly from cookiesandcups.com, and today it is cold in New Jersey. So what I'm gonna be showing you how to make is homemade hot chocolate mix from scratch in your own kitchen. There's gonna be no reason for you to ever have to buy hot chocolate mix from the store again, because you probably have these ingredients right in your own pantry. What I'm gonna be using today is turbinado sugar. And that might sound fancy, but it really isn't. It's also known as sugar in the raw. We're also gonna be using some unsweetened cocoa powder and just a little bit of kosher salt, which really just enhances the flavor of the chocolate. And I've already pre-measured 1.5 cups of turbinado sugar, and you're just gonna pour this right into the blender. And then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And we're gonna let this go just for a minute to break down the turbinado sugar since it's so coarse. We want it to be able to dissolve easily in the hot water or the hot milk that you're using to make your hot chocolate. Okay, that looks great. So you can see now it is a fine powder, which is great and just what we're looking for. And if all the sugar doesn't get completely pulverized, it's okay. What we're gonna do is now add in our unsweetened cocoa powder, which is what makes it hot chocolate. Pour that right in. If you spill some, it's fine. All right, so I'm just gonna take a quick peek at it. It looks really nice. And I think we are all set. Once you have your hot chocolate all mixed up, you can put it in a decorative container like I've done. It's just a mason jar, but I added in some mini marshmallows, a little piece of twine and a wooden spoon, so it would be a really great gift idea. But I'm just gonna make myself a cup. I've warmed up some milk already, and we're gonna pour it right into a glass. If you're making a small cup of hot chocolate, you can add just 1 heaping tablespoonful. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it. You can't just have a cup of hot chocolate. You have to at least add marshmallows, right? Or if you want to take it to the next level, which is how we like to have it at my house, is you're gonna add some whipped cream and mini chocolate chips to make it look extra pretty. It smells good, it's gonna be delicious. I can't wait to dig in. So for this recipe and more, visit cookiesandcups.com.